In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete TikTok drafts in 2020. So once you're on the TikTok app and you're on your profile, and you get your profile by tapping on the me icon in the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, you'll see all your videos as well as your drafts. You can see I have a draft video over there. If I go ahead and tap on it, what I need to do now is tap on select at the top right, and it's going to bring up this selection. You want to tap on the video draft that you want to delete, and I'm going to go ahead and tap on this video. Now you can see a little delete button at the bottom. Now if you had multiple drafts, you could select all of them at once and then delete them all at once. But since I only have one, it only shows up one. So I'll go ahead and tap on delete once again, and the draft has now been deleted. So that is how you delete drafts on TikTok in 2020. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.